So we're here at DMP.
Yeah.
And you're showing that the edubook is being assembled right now here as a demonstration.
Yeah.
And what is the edubook?
Yeah, the edubook is an energy-efficient netbook that we're planning to make available sometimes around August. It's actually meant for educational projects for students in schools to have an affordable computer to use for education purposes.
Because it's going to be definitely affordable.
Affordable, yes.
Is there any number yet? How affordable it might be?
No numbers yet, but it depends on how the project is going to run. But we're looking at somewhere around 150, 160 for the initial ones.
Yeah.
So it now depends on the volume.
Maybe $150, $160, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
As cheap as that.
Yeah, as cheap as that.
That's pretty cheap for x86 based Windows.
Yeah, so that's like a projected. So when we now look at the volume that you have to get it.
Can we see the specs? This is the list of the specs here.
Okay, yeah, we have a list of the specs here.
Yeah.
It's a 1 gigahertz X-Core 86.
So 1 gigahertz
processor.
It's called the PMX 1000.
Yeah.
It's an x86 processor.
Yeah.
And
the memory will go from like 256 MB to upgradable to 512 to 1 gig RAM. Then you have an inbuilt SD card, 2 SD cards. So the storage of this will definitely be running on an XD card.
Could you show the processor again? You have this new kind of processor which has
it's an SoC. We call it a system on chip processor. So you have your audio, your video, graphics, and everything running from one chip. From just one chip.
And that helps to lower the power consumption?
Yes, so power consumption goes down drastically compared to what you have in other processors. And because you can lower your power cost here, then you can take advantage of using this.
This is just like normal
small batteries. So you can power this, which are very, very cheap. So you can power the netbooks from this.
And this can be rechargeable or not?
Yes, they can be rechargeable. You can buy any rechargeable batteries.
How much do these batteries cost usually, do you know?
It depends on where you're buying from. Like we can buy in bulk. Yeah? We can get in bulk because you get the economy of...
And it's cheaper than a normal netbook battery?
Yes, cheaper than... So you are not tied to proprietary batteries. You can just go into any shop and
get them charged with a solar panel.
Anywhere, exactly.
Far away? Maybe?
Yes, far away. So if you go to remote locations where you don't have access to electricity at all, with a solar charger and this, you can go for as long as your battery will last. As long as there's sunlight.
And the battery can last for
4 hours.
4 hours at least?
Yes, full speed. 4 hours at speed. At least.
It's running Windows.
And this is able to run Linux, it's able to run Windows. Yeah. We have a demonstration here. I think we have Ubuntu. We have Ubuntu running here. We have Windows XP running here also.
Is it turned off right now, or is it?
Okay, this is Windows XP.
Windows XP there.
Area or in your country, and we sell hard disk for at least one.
It runs both Windows and Linux.
So this is is it branded? Is it DMP's project or?
What happens is it's like a partnership between DMP and a couple of other companies. Okay. So you have X-Core 86, branding the chip. You have DMP coming in to do some other part of it. So it's actually like a meeting point. So the sole purpose is to be able to put so many technologies together to get a cheap, energy efficient, very, very affordable computer.
Cool.
Very affordable computer.
Thank you.